Welcome to your weekly quiz. Let's see how much you have learned this week. You'll face 15 questions based on what we have covered in the past week. Not feeling quiz ready? Go and watch the past week's lessons and come back to score higher. Let's go. Name the food shown in the picture. A. Bagel. B. Baguette. C. Donuts. Name the cleaning tool shown in the picture. A. Laundry basket. B. Lint roller. C. Besom. Which one of the following three pictures is called loofah? Which one of the following is the largest animal? A. Giraffe. B. Leopard. C. Elephant. Which of the following is essential for a bathroom? A. Earplug. B. Blanket. C. Geyser. Which of the following is a pet animal? A. Butterfly. B. Hamster. C. Jackal. Complete the sentence. I have seen the magic show in the dash. A. Circus. B. Carousel. C. Ferris wheel. Complete the sentence. Dad has all the documents in his dash. A. Canteen bag. B. Duffel bag. C. Briefcase. Name the swings shown in the picture. A. Bumper cars. B. Ball pit. C. Drop tower. What would keep you warm at night? A. Duvet. B. Curtain. C. Carpet. Name the things shown in the picture. A. Jacket. B. Hoodie. C. Beanie. You can find this in the amusement park. Take a look at the picture as a hint. A. Bumper cars. B. Ball pit. C. Ferris wheel. Now it's riddle time. I have a pocket in which I carry my baby. Who am I? A. Kangaroo. B. Gorilla. C. Koala. You hang umbrellas on me. What am I? A. Cabinet. B. Hook. C. Bathrobe. I keep your hands warm in the winter. What am I? A. Sweater. B. Jacket. C. Mitten. Great job! Tell us your score in the comments section. No cheating. If you have scored higher, then like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep learning with Everyday English.